It is October 11th, so he is a month old now. Ooh, and he's rather sleepy. That's what he likes to do most of the time. And he eats about 8 ounces every feeding, every 2 to 5 hours. And he's a big fan of the Binky. Let's see if I can get him to open his eyes. Binky, open your eyes. There. Man, I hide him.
Hi, Zeke.
Look over there.
Zeke,
Don't
man.
get your shirt. That's not a Bink. Oh, goodness. There. You want your Binky back? There. Wave your arms around, maybe I'll see you. Look! There's Auntie over there with the camera. He's a really good baby. Hopefully he'll keep being really good. I don't remember what I said from the last take. Do you? Did I get everything? Okay. That's it. And we'll see you November 11th. The end.